I can't frame sentences while speaking. I use polar words like suppose that. This type of words I always use while speaking. If you have the same problem, so this video is going on for you. How are you? I hope all of you are doing great and learning this language in a great way. So, while speaking in beginning time, as a beginner, while speaking we always use polar sentences. Polar means polar words like suppose that. This type of sentences we always use because of we cannot make sentences we cannot make sentences very fast. While speaking we can't frame sentences rapidly. That's why we always use polar words. So what is the reason behind it? You know is not? Then let me tell you. The reason behind it, only one reason: lack of practice. Yes, you heard it right. Lack of practice. You always learn grammar, you always listen videos, but you don't try to speak. Then how it could be possible that you can make sentences rapidly if you are not practicing? So you should practice a lot. You should practice of speaking a lot. You have to speak. Yes, you heard it right. You have to speak a lot. To practice. If you not practice, it is not possible for you that you can become fluent speaker. You can become fluent in speaking. So you have to practice a lot. While practicing, then if you practice a lot of speaking, then you can able to make sentences. Okay, just tell me one thing. If you are in your field and you want to cut your crop, you want to harvest your crop, and you have no any sharpen tool, then how it could be possible that you can cut your crop? So what you should do? Of course, you will go and sharp your tools. After that you can able to you can able to cut your crop. So in this way, while speaking, if you cannot frame the sentences rapidly, then what you do? What will you do? Of course, you have to go and practice a lot. So what you have to do? You have to go and listen a lot and practice a lot of speaking. And one thing is you have to do, that is reading. Yes, you heard it right. You have to read a lot, and you have to read books, story books, whatever you want to read, you have to read. Okay, if you do not want to read, then you are going a slow motion for learning. So go and do practice a lot, read book, and frame the sentences. Try to frame sentences. Okay, this is all about in this video what I want to tell you. We will meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.